Most healthcare organizations that get breached are HIPAA compliant. That sounds surprising, but here's the simple reason. Compliance and security are not the same thing, they are both different. HIPAA gives healthcare organization a set of rules to follow, and cybersecurity is what actually protects the patient data from attackers. And that's important because healthcare remains one of the expensive industries to suffer data breach, with the average breach costing over $7 million. So instead of asking, are we HIPAA compliant? The better question is, are we actually secure? The challenge is that HIPAA was created in a very different world. Back then, patient data stayed in hospitals' network. Today, that data moves through cloud platforms, EHR systems, AI tools, and third-party vendors. Because of that, an organization can technically be HIPAA compliant and still have major security gaps. So, what does real healthcare cybersecurity looks like? It comes down to 5 things. First, use multi-factor authentication on every account that accesses patient data. That includes employees, administrators, and vendors. Second, encryption that travels with the data and not just at rest. Third, network segmentation. So one compromised laptop doesn't expose the entire hospital. Fourth, continuous monitoring instead of annual risk assessment. Healthcare takes an average of 279 days to detect a breach. That's around 9 months an attacker is inside before anyone notices. And fifth, maintain a complete inventory of your assets. Every cloud service, API, application, and device should be accounted for. And the same standard has to apply to every vendor and partner that touches your data, because in most cases, that's where it actually breaks. We saw this with a US health tech client. They came to us already HIPAA compliant, but still kept failing their own penetration test. The problem wasn't compliance, it was visibility. They had cloud services and vendor API connection that weren't fully tracked or secured. So we rebuilt their entire asset inventory, enforced multi-factor authentication across every system that touched patient data, and segmented the network. So same compliance status, but still different security posture. So that's the key takeaway. HIPAA compliance shows you've met the requirements, and cybersecurity shows you're prepared to defend against threats. They are connected, but they are not the same thing. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Vacancy as we regularly break down healthcare technology and cybersecurity topics like this. If you're building or improving your healthcare platform, then do check out the link given below in description to learn more and book a consultation with our team.